Hey guys, Carrie here, owner of Fit Body Bootcamp. Do you ever go out for a long cardio session only to find that you're craving sugary, carbohydrate loaded foods and you're not really seeing the results that you want? Well, I just wrote a blog post on why doing excessive cardio actually causes your body to store more body fat and ways that you can achieve this in only 30 minutes in a fun way that doesn't include excessive cardio that nobody likes. So there's three reasons, and it has to do with your hormones. The first reason is doing a lot of cardio decreases the production of your T3 hormone, which is produced by your thyroid, and this helps your body burn fat. So doing a lot of cardio actually decreases the production of that. The second reason is that doing intense cardio sessions increases the production of a stress hormone called cortisol. And cortisol is associated with heart disease, cancer, and visceral belly fat. And that's the fat stored around your midsection that nobody wants. And the third reason has to do with your appetite. So doing a lot of cardio drastically increases your appetite. And there was actually a study where the participants that did excessive cardio sessions ended up eating 100 calories more than what they burned. So that's really common. I see it all the time. But check out my blog post below because I talk about this in a little bit more detail. And I also talk about ways that you can achieve maximal fat burning in a quarter of the time in a fun way where you don't have to do a ton of cardio. So check it out below, guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you soon. Happy Friday!